Hello friends, in this video I will guide you to edit a photo in the forest. It's pretty overcast at the moment, so it's really dark, so I have to turn up the light. By adding contrast to the image, it's brighter. I look at the histogram, I see the histogram is a bit low. At this point I will add more light. Here I look at the histogram. You brighten up until the histogram is enough, that's it. Here, I continue to increase, so that it just hits the light threshold is okay. Then with this light I can see it, I group it. Then after I adjusted the light slightly, I found that the photo was more prominent. Then now I will recompose the photo by cropping this. Then I shared with you how to compose 1/3, so that I will drag the subject towards 1/3 of the photo here. Or I will choose golden ratio layout. Here I choose golden spiral, I shift O. I choose to change like this. Then Sam will now move the subject to the direction of the golden ratio composition or choose a 1/3 scale composition. This depends on your preference. You can choose 1/3 or the golden ratio. Then after I have recomposed it like that, I will see that the image is missing, I will pull it back. Press M. I pulled her dress off. Command T. That I can pull out the skirt to make it bigger. This is a 1/3 layout. However, I think this tree is not beautiful. So I can also choose the golden ratio layout. Which layout to choose depends on your preference. Then I chose the golden ratio layout. Then her picture will be bigger, her dress will be bigger. I remember not to let it show white borders like this, I had to pull it down too. Next, I'm going to work on the dress, it reveals this hole. Then I circled the L area, I selected the selection. And press erase. It will delete itself, you see? Here too, click erase. Then after I reprocessed it, I found the dress to be okay. This garbage too, I zone the garbage. These white ones. Click on erase. Here too. Then done. Next to the color processing, I found this blue one a bit too prominent, it's not beautiful. It annoys. At this time, I will enter accept color cast and I will also subtract green color. Do you see? Before, after. The way I handle my images is that if the color is not beautiful, I just delete it. Next, I will add Flair. This picture is a bit dark, I will add Flair. By the way I choose Flair. I will choose one of the colors here, I have a lot of Flair. I pick this one. I will put it in this corner. If I don't want it to shine in my face, I'll turn it up a bit. And make it big. Then you see that the light is a bit faint. I put it in this position. Then I will erase its effect on the subject. Let your subject be clear. Then this flare part I intentionally left it like that, you can delete it too. But it was impressive that I saw it like that. You notice, the flare border I will delete. Then I add this flare, I will see that this part is dark, so it doesn't make sense. Because the sun is on this side. Then this sky must be golden. I see here the sky is getting blue. I will reduce its blue color right now. Add more yellow. So now I exclude blue. Let me eliminate this blue sky. That's what you see. Before, after, it loses its blue color. Then now I will add a yellow flare to add this bright flare. So I'll leave it here and I'll make it big. So do you see it now? It's just a color effect. Firstly, I will reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. I lower the opacity on this top layer. Then I only see a little light. Second, if you want it to be the same color as this flare. This light, then I will choose brush color. I click options. I click on the color of the sun. After that, I will scan in my photo. Then you see that this time it is the same color. I choose the brush color. This brush color layer, when I scan it, I see that its color changes. Then the second one is that now I will remove it from the subject, as well as the ground. Then you will see this photo with just a few mouse clicks. Before and after. Before, after. It's missing a bit here, I'll pull it out a bit. Okay. Then next I will adjust the dress to be redder. In this photo, I sees that this dress is not good enough. Then I will go to color cast, adds red. Then you will see the red it is brighter, a lot. I will erase the skin color, reset brush. Take that color away from the dark part. The skinning part of these photos is very easy. The picture is quite far away. So now you see before, after, I can change the opacity. It's up to you how dark you want it to be. Then I think 80% is okay. Next, I will merge this layer and block this image, by being dodge. I dodge it to light up some areas. Make the dress more impressive. I hit follow the light. This dodge and burn part depends on your color taste and liking. Then you can reburn some areas. Especially this area in the shadow, so that the dress it is becomes more solid, 3D better. Then you will see that when I darken some areas, then it separates a lot. Between the two layers of the dress, do you see it? Before, after. I can sharpen the image more. By the way I add detail. Then you will see that this photo is quite harsh, before, after. Then I will reduce about 20–30% or something. Then if I want the dress to be sharper, I can choose brush. Let me add detail. Into her dress. I'm going to sweep straight up the dress, you see the dress it pops up. I just scanned some bad highlight areas. I'm not going to scan the whole dress. You see, before, after, the dress it turned on was much better. Note that I have a lot of light effects, here you can see. I can choose bokeh, so I can add bokeh to the photo. This is a lot of bokeh. You can be as creative as you like. Here, for example I does this. And if I wants the color to match this color, I will choose this brush color. I press his option or control. Click on this yellow. Then scan this photo. My lower part, I see that it changes to the right color. Do you see? Before, after. That you can add a lot of effects to your photos. If you like, but I found this picture enough. Then I saw this part, because of the lights. This part is a bit bright. So now I will burn this part to darken it. Darken the environment. Here too. Next, I can still squeeze this dress. Make it more impressive by clicking Liquify. I will adjust the pressure to about 30%. This is up to your needs. Normally, I adjust the pressure to about 30–40% or something. In this place it still has a path, then I will delete it. Delete it later. I will squeeze the dress to make it round, even. It is also possible that I will make it curl, you note, choose this circle. I can click. And click on it, you see it has a spin. So many things I can do. Then I adjusted the dress already. I have already finished this part. Then I can also zoom in on me to delete the trash. By clicking erase. You delete anything, just click erase. Then it will automatically delete it all for you. Photoshop is very smart now, especially the latest versions like 2021. It deletes very precisely. Especially this tool, it integrates these features, so it deletes very quickly. You just need to zone. Click erase. No need to do much. Very simple. Okay, so I finished the picture, you see. Before, I recomposed the very dark photo. After, I added sun rays to the photo, made the dress bigger, as well as added a ray of light to the photo. For this photo it is very beautiful in the same color, my dress is also very beautiful. Very simple with FineArt Secret. These Flair parts you can choose as you like. In addition, I have a lot of light effects. So that I can add lots of light effects.